What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here once again with another video for you all, and in today's video we will be discussing if you should start your print on demand right now during fourth quarter of 2018 and why it's the perfect time to start it right now, with the seasons, with the holidays coming up, and so we'll explain that in this video. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe. We are growing this channel. We finally passed the 200 subscriber mark. We're now reaching for 300 by the end of October. If you all can please just subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, that'd be great. Now, a little bit about my business. So I started drop shipping on Shopify last year, and I've been doing that for about over a year now, a year and a half. And then I moved into print on demand sometime of December of last year, and which I saw great results with. Now, the reason why you should start your print on demand business right now in 2018 is because, especially around this time, is because fourth quarter is coming. Fourth quarter is the last 3 months of the year: October, November, and December. And of course, during these 3 months, these are the biggest e-commerce months of the year. A lot of companies make the bulk of their revenue during this time of the year. And so there's a lot of gains to be reached. And I even started in December, the last month of the fourth quarter, and saw results from it. So I know you all can too. But I already had a business, I already had customers, so it was a little bit easier for me. And so why should you start your print on demand business right now? First of all, it's clothing items. Clothing items sell better than so many other items that I try to sell, better than like utility items, better than jewelry, better than shoes, better than kitchen supplies. It's clothing items. People are always going to need clothes, no matter if it's a recession, a depression, no matter the economy, people are always going to buy clothes. And if you can provide value through clothes, you can find a good business with that. And so number one reason why you should start right now in fourth quarter is because clothing item. So number two is relating to that first item is because it's getting colder. In most of the US, these months are going to get more chilly, especially toward the end of November and December, and people are looking for clothes just naturally, looking for sweaters, looking for hoodies, looking for jackets, looking for hats, and you can cater to that. And so if you're already doing print on demand for a t-shirt, you can start doing it for a hoodie or a sweater. And with that, people can see a lot more items through that, and they can attach what they're wearing as a t-shirt to a hoodie. So I have a design that is winning, and it's a regular t-shirt. But now I'm going to start putting it on hats. I'm going to put it on like a V-neck t-shirt. I'm going to put it on a hoodie, a sweater. And I'm pretty sure those same people who bought the t-shirt will be more inclined to buy the sweater or the hoodie. And so that's another thing. It's getting colder, and with cold, there's more clothing items. People still going to wear t-shirts, but on top of that, we're going to wear hoodies, sweatpants, more leggings. And so that's great. That's a great opportunity to really start your print on demand business right now during the winter, because it's more clothing items, period. And then the number three reason is because it's the fourth quarter. More people are buying online. More people are inside, just online, just on the internet. And so when they're on the internet and shopping, because it's colder outside, there's more reason for them to go on Facebook and look at your ad and find your products. So that's another reason why you should start yours right now during this quarter. Fourth quarter. We're still in September, about to reach fourth quarter in a few days. But yeah, so that's another reason. And then a fourth reason would be because now is the perfect time, like I'm saying, fourth quarter, and because it's better now than later. You know, even if it was in January, if today was March, you know, it's better to start, you know, your path to financial freedom right now as opposed to before. Now, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, like this video. Um, yeah, and let me know what you all think of this video. I know it's kind of weird because I'm just talking with you all. You know, sometimes I do tutorials or whatnot. But I just want to give you all a video to give you all encouragement for today to start something, to start an e-commerce business, just to start something. Now, I hope you all have an amazing day, and thank you. Peace.